Within the PerfectApps system, you can set up users, user groups and positions. You may also use system meta connections to access this type of information. Be aware that these connection types only work if the app user is authenticated in the PerfectApps system. The system metadata connection is always available. An account administrator does not establish it, nor can it be edited in the connections dashboard. There are 3 actions available. In this tutorial, we will look at the action for positions. You will likely use the positions action alongside the user action, which we will do in this tutorial. In this user information app, we already have a system metadata connection with the user's action that drives the user lookup and populates most of the fields once a user is selected. For this demonstration, the critical piece of information is the user ID, which will be populated when a user is selected. When that user ID is populated, we will use a positions action to populate the positions table at the bottom of the page. Before we do that, however, we need to be mindful that the user can change several times. Before using the connect command to populate the positions table, we should include a set table rows command to remove anything that might already be in the table. We will use a connect command, the system metadata connections and the positions action. We will use the user ID field as the source for the send parameter. And we will use the name return parameter to return all positions the user occupies into the table. Be aware that although a single user can only occupy a position, it's feasible that one person might occupy more than one position. And that's why we are populating the positions into a table object. Also be aware that it's possible the user might not occupy any positions at all. If we leave the connection as it is, then in this situation there will be an expected connection error and the system will return an error message. It will be prudent therefore to turn off the show error message option. Let's test the behavior by running the preview option. That concludes the demonstration on using the system metadata connections and the positions action.